Morning, everybody. It's 8:56, and this is your pre-opening comment for today, Thursday, the 15th of February. Let's just go to the chart on the screen is the silver. We bought it down here yesterday, and we have a higher high and higher low open here, and we are up roughly 47 cents. So that's working nicely. The rest of the futures, oil is down a couple of cents, 21 cents. The gold is higher by 10. Um, and the dollar is down a little with the bonds being up 27.30 seconds, so almost a full point. Bitcoin is up another 550, which is kind of tame after back to back 4-digit days. 52,540, new recovery high 52,870. Okay, we had a bunch of numbers this morning. Initial claims 212,000, that's versus 220. Um, Continuing claims, 1,895,000. That's slightly higher, but still below that magic 1.9 number. Retail sales were down 8 tenths versus expectations for down 2 tenths. X autos down 6 tenths. X autos and gas still down 5 tenths. Import prices were up 0.8%. X gas still up 0.6%, and the year over year look is down 1.3%. Export prices also up 0.8 versus expectations for up 7 year over year. That's down 2.4 versus down 2.9 last read. Empire State was expected to come in at minus 12, came in at minus 2.4, so a little bit more strength. And the Philly Fed, which has been consistently lower, was up 5.2%. In a little while, 9:15, we have industrial production and capacity utilization. As far as earnings from last night, Cisco 48.08 down 220 on a beat but poor guidance. Deere down $12 at 373. They beat on earnings, on revenues, and gave net income guidance, which I guess was a bit of a disappointment. Coinbase upgraded to neutral from underweight at JP Morgan, 172.60. That's up $12 and change. Albemarle, ALB, that's 110 down 439. They beat top and bottom, but gave fiscal year 24 revenues below consensus. They're a big miner of lithium for batteries, and prices there have come down pretty hard. Twilio, TWLO, also beat by 29 cents, beat on revenues, guided above consensus, but revenues below consensus. That one is 63.85, and that's down 842 or 11%. Um, Paramount is down 60 cents at 12.60, down 4.5%. Berkshire Hathaway disclosed that in updating their positions for their 13F filing, decreased Paramount to 63.32 million shares from 90 million. Okay, so the futures, which on all of those numbers went from up 61 prior to up 110 afterwards. Currently, let me just see, get the Dow here for you. Come on, Dow. Okay. S&P expected to open up 4.5. That one went from up 5 to up 13 and back. Dow went from 61 to 110. Last is up 64, and the Nasdaq looks to be up about $15. So not much follow through from yesterday. All right, folks. Have a good day. We have industrial production and capacity utilization coming at 9:15. So um, that'll be beyond this video, but I'm sure you'll see the change if there is one in the futures.